going on, guys? It's your boy Enzo660 back at it again with another video. Let's go. Today, if you guys notice, this is a little bit of a different video. We're not using the Trident. We are on our Zuma 125 2023. Just put over 500 miles on her as of yesterday, and we're just adding a little bit more as we're on our way to work. I am going to do a oil change for her 600-mile service. I'm also going to be checking for any leaks on all of the hoses. I also added some RGB, aka underglows, and I think they're awesome. But later on I realized I don't really ride the Zuma at night. When I do ride it, it's for daily commute to and from work. So the underglow is kind of unnecessary at this point, because when I go to work or coming from work, the sun is up and it's too bright to actually see the RGB or the LEDs. So I mean, it is a good additional to the bike if ever I do need to drive at night. Anyway, guys, sit back and relax. Thank you to everybody that is subscribed to the channel. If you do feel like you want to subscribe and you want to see more of my content, feel free. All right, let's go. Woo! Fun fact, this is why I love the Yamaha Zuma. I have my microfiber towel there, some documents, and I could actually put my lunch here and a drink with plenty of space left. It's amazing. Alright guys, if you haven't yet put your scooter on the center stand, here are the tools that we're going to need. I'm using some brake cleaner parts to clean some of the stuff that we're going to be taking out. A 19mm, a 12mm socket, a socket wrench. I have a flexible one. I'm using a pitcher just to measure how much oil is going to come out, and later we're going to be dumping it onto the drain pan here. The drain bolt is going to be located on the left side of the Zuma 125. For the 2023, it's going to be oil strainer, and this is your drain bolt. That oil is actually somewhat clean for 550 miles. All right, now it's time for the strainer. Careful not to lose your spring and the strainer itself. Actually, looking at this strainer, I'm actually seeing a lot of metal shavings from it. So I would say that the strainer is actually doing a fantastic job. Can you guys see that? Even the strainer net has some shavings in it, which is interesting. It actually works. So next we're just gonna give these components a little bit of cleaning using our brake cleaner. Just assemble it. Your drain plug, spring, and your strainer. Alright, so for motor oil, I'm going to be using Mobil 1 Racing 4T 10W40. And we're going to fill up this new cup with close to a liter of fluids, or oil I should say. So your fill cap's gonna be right where your dipstick's at, located right here on the right side of the bike. Put this aside, stick a funnel in there. Insert your dipstick back after you wiped it off. Actually, while I'm here, I might as well wipe the lip off the drain, or the fill cap / dipstick. So now it's time to start the scooter, see if there's any leaks or anything happening as we start up the bike. One more thing I almost forgot to mention is resetting the oil reminder. Press select until you see the oil change icon there and hold reset, and it's back to 0, and just put it on whatever you want it to. I keep mine on trip 8. Now it's time to just take it around the neighborhood. I've had it running for approximately 7 minutes and I didn't see any leaks. Everything seems to be running just fine. No lights, no check engine, no low oil pressure, nothing. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. I appreciate you guys taking your time to watch my video. If you haven't been subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and join the gang. Scooter seems to be running fine. Nothing noticeably changing or anything like that. So, I mean, it's still pulling or chugging along. If anything, the Mobil 1 might have made it faster. I don't know. But again, I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys on the next one, alright? Peace out! Yay!